It is true that the problem of hemorrhoids does not threaten your life, but unless you treat it you will have to suffer from its uncomfortable symptoms. You might ask how to get rid of hemorrhoids. There are various ways which can help you to provide a proper treatment to solve the problem. Proper treatment will help you to get rid of the pain that you usually feel when you have this problem. Most of the remedies are such that you can try them at home, and there is no need to visit a doctor or a specialist and show the affected area to him. Astringent is one of the ways which can provide you with some relief. Astringent can help you to get rid of the pain as well as the swelling caused due to the hemorrhoids. There are different kinds of astringents available, but you just need to make sure that you choose the best one. Whichever treatment you choose, you must be careful that it suits you. Other than this, if you want to know how to get rid of hemorrhoids, then you must also make some changes in your diet. You must include a lot of natural foods in your daily diet. Make sure that you consume a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. These natural foods are known to have a lot of fiber in them. Other than fruits and vegetables, you can even have beans, cereals, oatmeal, sprouts, and wheat bran, and so on. If you have these foods daily, then you will be able to get rid of all the symptoms of hemorrhoids. This is the best answer available to how to get rid of hemorrhoids. These foods will also help you to have a smooth bowel movement. If you have a hard stool, it will become more difficult on the hemorrhoids. Therefore, you must make sure that you have softer stools. This is why you need to avoid constipation. You can easily avoid constipation if you eat natural foods and drink enough water. Now you know how to get rid of hemorrhoids. Discover our reviews of the 2 best hemorrhoids treatment. It's on your-hemorrhoids-treatment.com.